What if I told you there's an engine out there so powerful, so aggressively engineered, it's like slapping a jet engine into a big rig? No, this isn't Fast and Furious for truckers. This is the Cummins X15 Blackout Edition. It's bold, it's blacked out, and it doesn't just purr, it roars with dominance. If you haul for a living, or just live and breathe diesel, this is the engine that changes the game. But here's the twist. This isn't just about power. It's about intelligent power. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around for what's under the hood. The origin and hype. Let's start at the beginning. Why the hype around the Blackout Edition? Well, first, imagine taking an already dominant engine, the legendary Cummins X15, and then pushing it into elite status. The Blackout Edition isn't a rebrand, it's a statement. Cummins has a long legacy of hard-working engines built to go the distance, over 1 million miles in some cases. But for 2024, they decided to go dark, literally, with a full black aesthetic, sleeker than a stealth bomber and just as deadly. But it's not just about looks. The Blackout Edition is a limited production model, built to turn heads and burn rubber. Well, metaphorically. It features the X15 Performance Series base, tuned for higher torque, quicker throttle response, and, oh yes, improved fuel efficiency despite all that brute force. But looks and performance? That's just the surface, because what Cummins did next is what really makes this engine a beast in disguise. Confrontation. Inside the beast. Let's break down what's really under the hood. The X15 Blackout cranks out up to 605 horsepower and 2,050 pound-feet of torque. That's not just muscle. That's controlled chaos, engineered for long-haul supremacy. It features the latest Smart Torque 2 technology, which means it automatically adjusts to real-time driving conditions. So whether you're battling steep grades in Colorado or slicing through the Texas flatlands, this engine adapts on the fly. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with Eaton Endurant HD transmissions, giving you silky smooth shifts, reduced driveline wear, and minimal fatigue on the long haul. Side note, if your truck shifts smoother than your morning coffee machine, you know Cummins did something right. And let's talk about after-treatment. Yeah, it's not the sexiest topic, but it is the key to staying compliant and keeping uptime high. The Blackout Edition features optimized exhaust gas recirculation and diesel particulate filter systems, reducing emissions without sacrificing power. So far, it sounds like a dream. But hold up. There's one more reason why fleets are rushing to get their hands on this engine. And it's not what you think. Resolution. Why it matters now. Let's talk timing. The X15 Blackout Edition isn't just rare. It's limited production. That means supply is vanishing fast. Fleets that want cutting-edge power and the head-turning look of an all-black block are grabbing them while they can. But there's more at stake than just bragging rights. With tightening EPA regulations, the X15 Blackout gives you a future-forward design that meets compliance, without strangling your performance. And here's a fact most won't tell you. Cummins is preparing for major changes in their next-gen engines. This Blackout Edition might just be the last of its kind, the final form of raw diesel dominance before the full pivot to hybrid systems. Think of it as the last V8 Mustang before the EV wave. This is your shot to own a piece of mechanical history, one that won't come around again. Whether you're running a fleet, driving solo coast to coast, or just obsessed with diesel tech, the Cummins X15 Blackout Edition is more than just an engine. It's a signal, a roar, a legacy in black. Want to see more engines that are rewriting the rules of the road? Hit that subscribe button and drop a comment if you think this Blackout beast is worthy of your rig. We've got deep dives, gear reviews, and behind-the-scenes tech drops every week. Next episode, we're looking at a sleeper upgrade that could save you thousands in fuel costs. And no one's talking about it. Don't miss it.